Kolbe multi-slide doors are available with a continuous full-width dark bronze anodized weep sill. Stainless steel roller caps are incorporated to provide easy operation. Multi-slide door sills are thermally broken, which helps reduce thermal and sound transfer. Each track is fully weather stripped to create a tight seal and to prevent debris from entering the sill. Multi-slide door sills include weep holes along the front face to help shed away water. The sill is designed to be installed into a sill pan to help prevent moisture damage. Multi-slide door sills are designed to be installed directly on top of the floor as they are a flush sill. For an even smaller profile, the sill can be set lower into the floor, creating a more seamless transition and greater accessibility. If design pressure ratings are required, sill risers can be added and stacked onto the interior of the sill to create better ratings. To learn more about this and other Kolbe products, visit our website at kolbewindows.com.